Started.
All right.
All right. Welcome to the Code Review Weekly for August the 9th. It's good to see everyone. I know it's been a hot minute since we've had this meeting. So excited to see everyone. The first one is just a read only. I'll be back out a couple days. Coverage is, I think, in place, but it usually goes fine for just a couple days. Perfect.
I'll just throw that in there too, as long as we're talking about long weekends.
Yeah. Perfect. I think the big one that I wanted to ask about was the Google models. I know and Matt, I thank you for document. I think we have everything at least capable of using the Google models. I'm not sure if they're all turned on to that, but I was wondering if maybe we should have a better way to track all 5 of those and get those done, or however many flags there are, or do we just want to use the feature flag issues and should we just stay on top of them and get it done? I'm not sure what the status is across.
Right. I think we only have one that's not on Google right now, and we have a feature flag for it, but it's not rolled out. So that's for summarize my review, that one. And I'll place it links. I think that's the only one. I should check, but as far as I know, the rest of them are either already on. We've switched it over to the Google model, or they never had it to begin with. So it might not be a bad idea to have maybe an issue that just lists them out somewhere, just that we can point to. I know there's a lot of scrutiny or eyes on when are we going to get off of all of this. I don't know. So it probably wouldn't hurt to be able to track that somewhere. I don't know if anyone has a good idea on how we do that, but I can create an issue or something and put all the details for our experiments and what the state is.
Yeah, I think one issue that tracks them all would be helpful, because I think people are just asking. Yeah. This flag does not exist on production.
Oh, okay. That's fun.
Yeah, I just checked again.
Yeah, it's possible that I'll dig in and try to see if it's possible we haven't even gotten to that point yet to create it and enable it or anything, which means this is still using OpenAI or something.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we should just push on that one then. Although I know Patrick's out, but maybe we find something else, because we do need to get off of those as quickly as we can.
Yeah, maybe someone can at least create it and get the process rolling a little bit.
Yeah, I think that would be good. Okay. Yeah, I think that's the only thing that I needed covered was that's the big one that we've been asked about, is the status of models on the AI stuff. And then I think the rest of the AI stuff we'll cover in planning, in terms of what we need to do to change labels from experiment to beta or to GA, however we see fit. I think most of them are probably fairly quick to get to beta. They're there. It's just a matter of what requirements change. So, cool.
Right. It feels like the code or the features themselves are ready for beta. It's just what do we need around documentation and UX and marketing, whatever else we need. Does that seem accurate, that moving to beta doesn't seem like it's going to require a ton of coding work?
I don't think so.
Yeah. At least for what we know now. Yeah.
Yeah. I think what it's going to require is Alex to do something, and then the coding work will be where we say experiment and have a badge or in parentheses, like that'll all have to get updated to say beta, right? Like I think we'll have to do some
Sure.
like cosmetic things, but I don't think we have any like serious doubts about the experience around most of the, at least the summary style features right now.
Okay.
So those we'd probably be able to move fairly easily. And then commit messages and generating tests, we're not going to move up for now. There's just nothing, there's no reason to move those up to beta.
Okay.
They can just live, they'll be long lived experimental feature, I think is where they'll be for now. So I'll just
Okay.
put it. Cool. Thomas, Ben, anything from your side? No. All right. Good to see everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks.